Being good at coding doesn't mean that you are great at showcasing the skills. So here is how what you have to do in your resume to make it stand out. There are two types of resume obviously. One is the bad one, another one is the good one. In the bad one, that is totally with the disorganized way, and also it contains the spelling errors and grammatical errors, and also it has a distractive graphics as well. Now the perfect one is easy to skim through. It has professional fonts, simple layout, and it includes the summary and achievements and also the impacts that you have made in that company by your efforts. So to create the perfect one for yourself, you have to follow these three hacks. Hack number one is you have to switch to the sleek and the professional layout so that your resume passes screening. Second is you have to highlight the measurable impact that you have made in the company instead of just mentioning the job description. For this, you have to mention it in the perfect way. Suppose you wanted to mention that you have performed a data analysis for the company, then the perfect way of writing is that you have conducted a sales data analysis that identified key revenue opportunities leading to 15% increase in the quarterly sales worth $1 million. This shows what were the impact of your work on that company and how much you have increased the sales as well. So I have created some examples. You can get it in your DMs as well. Hack number third is that you have to mention the keywords from the job description that you are applying for. Suppose you are applying a job on LinkedIn or Indeed, then you have to go to the job description for which you are applying for. You have to extract some keywords from that, and then you have to add those keywords in your resume to pass the screening. So I have created 3 prompts for you which can help you create the perfect resume for yourself using AI, that is ChatGPT, Gemini or Claude, anyone you can use. So to get it in your DM, just comment down resume and I will send it to you right away.